So I got the anti-fog shower mirror from Taili. Now in this video, I'm going to show you everything that you received and a quick guide on how to get this thing set up. But first things first, this thing is awesome. Like the mirror in here, if you've ever been to a luxury hotel, you get those makeup mirrors. They make you seem like you're looking at yourself in high definition. That's what this thing is. So I'm super impressed with that. I've done a bunch of these. Sometimes the mirrors aren't. This one's very, very nice. But how you get it set up, super easy. Back here, all you gotta do is take the plastic off. That's gonna reveal your suction cup. Now at this point, just find the spot of your shower where you wanna press it on. Now if you have a shower like I do, like here, it's gonna be really, really easy. If you have one that's tile, all you need to do is make sure this can sit flush on the tile and you will be good to go. So we're just gonna pop it into place and you'll kind of hear it pop. And there we go, we're good to go. Now here's gonna be where you can put your razors. Now if you don't wanna do that, you don't have to do it. All you're gonna do is press it up, and now you can pull it down. We have our insert here. And it is very, very sturdy as well. So once we get this in there, we can put our razors on there. Now, these are like electric ones, big batteries, heavier than a normal razor. Doesn't matter. It'll hold it perfectly fine. So whatever you're gonna put in there, it's gonna be good to go and hold them. But this thing is perfect. So if you do shave in the shower, it's gonna be a very, very easy way to do it. And like I said, this mirror on here is actually very, very nice, comparable to like a makeup mirror. So super happy with this. Give it 2 thumbs up.